I'm trying to remove the 30-inch trim kit on my Thermador MCES microwave. Can you help? I have the installation instructions, but they don't indicate how it is attached.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. So you're going to be surprised at how easy this kit is to remove. All you do is grab the frame around the microwave and just pull forward hard. There is a spring clip in each corner which holds the panel in place due to nothing more than friction. I just open the door, grab the bottom right and left corners and pull straight forward until it unclips, and then I grab the trim in the upper right and left corners and pull the rest of it off. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
I still can't get it off. How much force do I need to apply?
Quite a bit of force. That is why I open the door, so I can pinch the inside and outside of the trim in one corner and pull forward hard.
Okay, I'll try.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.